Here's a fresh take on aging in place with a little humor to keep things light while tackling some essential home upgrades. Number 1, grab bars, your bathroom's bodyguards. Slippery bathroom floors are like ice rinks waiting for a wipeout. Enter grab bars, your personal bathroom bodyguards. They're here to catch you when life or gravity tries to bring you down. Think of them as the unsung heroes of your home, ready to save the day and your dignity. Number 2, motion sensor lights. Let there be light automatically. Remember those days of fumbling for the light switch at 2 a.m.? Say goodbye to stub toes and hello to motion sensor lights. These handy gadgets light up your world the moment you walk in, like being the star of your own glowing runway, minus the paparazzi. 3, widen doorways. Make room for fabulous. Why squeeze through narrow doorways when you can upgrade to VIP lanes? Widen those doorways to roll, stroll, or strut through with ease. It's like upgrading your home to first class, where there's room for everything, including your snazzy walker. Number 4, walk-in showers, the bathtub retirement plan. Let's face it, bathtubs are fun until you're trying to climb out of one without feeling like you're auditioning for an action movie. Swap that tub for a walk-in shower with a no-threshold entry and a comfy bench. Now you can enjoy shower time without the acrobatics. Bonus, non-slip floors mean you're safe from accidental slip and slide moments. Number 5, smart home tech, your new personal assistant. Why struggle with switches and knobs when you can boss around Alexa or Siri? Smart home gadgets let you control lights, thermostats, and even your coffee maker with your voice. Plus, with an emergency alert button, help is only a push away, because who has time to shout, "Help, I've fallen," when you're busy living your best life? Aging in place doesn't have to mean sacrificing comfort or style. With these upgrades, your home will be safer, smarter, and ready for you to rule your golden years like the legend you are. Contact me, Kelly Ham, your Kitsap County Senior Real Estate Specialist, for help with transitioning into a one-story to make this golden stage of life seamless. Thanks for watching.